Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. Stochastic remains positive. Bitcoin has gained 6.5% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX is diminishing into the neutral area. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. The MACD remains positive. The price of crude oil has added 0.4% in the last session. The ROC remains in the negative area.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Iraq has decided to freeze its first crude oil prepayment deal, which was made to boost its finances as oil prices are rising, according to the country's oil minister. Over 17.5 million people, a third of UK adults, have had at least one vaccine dose since inoculations began in December. The Federal Reserve published its semi-annual monetary policy report, which showed that policymakers believe that the risks of coming business failures remain considerable in the country.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, Germany's IFO Business Climate at 900 GMT, Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 900 GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations will be released at 900 GMT, China's PBOC interest rate decision at 1:30 GMT, Hong Kong's Consumer Price Index at 900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.